What's up, everybody? Alright, I'm out here this morning. Let me see, I had to make me a temporary greenhouse. Let me take a step back so I can get some of that stuff out the front porch. Gotta work with what you got sometimes. Anyway, let me show you. So, y'all remember the little seed tray, right? Just about everything that came up. So, I am gonna transplant. But these little, that's why I like these. See how they like a little pot? They make it easy to transplant. Cause you don't have to like, I ain't got to disturb the roots. I ain't got to pull the little plant out and do it. I can plant this whole deal. Let me show you. See, those some cucumbers. Matter of fact, here you go right here. Let me show you. These some pinata peppers. They cayenne peppers, but they different colors. See how that one kind of purple? They gonna be different colors when they start growing fruit. So I'm gonna transplant them. I'm transplanting them because they you know, let me show you why. See all them roots coming out of there? That's why when I'm transplanting, them roots need more space, right? So they can get a little bit bigger like these. So by the time I get ready to put them in the ground, they about that size. So that's what I'm doing. Real easy. I'm here and package some old dirt. And what I find out, if you pre-wet, pre-moisten the soil, it make it easier when you planting. When you plant, it's a little bit easier for the little pots to settle in real good. So you don't have all that space in your soil and all that. It'll be already nice and soaked real good. You know what I'm saying? So if you remember that, soak your soil down before you put it on there. I mean, before you put them in there. Got some good soil I had been working on last year from the back. Perfect for these. So I'm gonna put 2 in here, and I got 2 more. I'm gonna put 2 over here. Just to give them a little bit more room. I still got a few more weeks before I'm gonna go out there in the garden. I'm still trying to get the new garden site going. We almost there though, but man, that's how it is. But anyway, y'all, that's how you transplant your little seedlings. And we getting there, Jack. Oh, we gonna do some planting this year, Jack. All right, y'all. Catch you on the next one.